The 2025 Ford sports bike lineup roars onto the scene with a thrilling combination of cutting-edge engineering, raw power, and head-turning design. While Ford is best known for its legendary muscle cars and trucks, their bold entry into the high-performance motorcycle market has sent shockwaves through the industry. The 2025 models push boundaries with advanced aerodynamics, race-inspired technology, and the unmistakable growl of tuned engines that announce their presence long before they streak past. These bikes aren't just about speed, they're a statement, blending Ford's automotive expertise with the agility and adrenaline of premium sport bikes. At the heart of the 2025 Ford sports bike lineup is the all-new Ford Raptor RR***, a beast designed to dominate both the track and the open road. Powered by a turbocharged 1.2-liter inline-4 engine, it churns out an astonishing **200 horsepower and **130 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful production sport bikes of the year. The engine's roar is tuned to perfection, deep and menacing at low RPMs, escalating into a high-pitched scream as the revs climb. Ford's engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure that the exhaust note is as exhilarating as the ride itself, a signature feature that has already gone viral in YouTube revving videos. The Raptor RR also features a quick-shifting 6-speed transmission with auto-blipping downshifts, ensuring seamless power delivery whether carving through mountain roads or blasting down the straightaway at a track day. Handling is just as impressive as the straight-line speed, thanks to a lightweight carbon fiber frame and Öhlins fully adjustable suspension. The bike's aggressive riding position keeps the pilot locked in during high-speed cornering, while Brembo-style brakes provide jaw-dropping stopping power. Ford has even incorporated active aerodynamics, with winglets that adjust automatically at high speeds to maximize downforce and stability. The result? A machine that feels planted at 150 miles per hour yet remains flickable through tight switchbacks. Technology plays a huge role in the 2025 Ford sports bikes, with a TFT digital dash that integrates seamlessly with smartphones, offering navigation, ride telemetry, and even performance tuning at the touch of a button. Multiple ride modes, street, sport, track, and rain, allow riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their environment, while cornering abs and wheelie control keep things safe without dulling the excitement. Ford has also introduced an optional AI-powered heads-up display (HUD) in the helmet visor, projecting critical ride data like speed, gear position, and lap times directly into the rider's line of sight. Visually, the 2025 Ford sports bikes are a masterpiece of aggression and precision. The sharp, angular bodywork is inspired by Ford's performance car lineage, with LED lighting signatures that echo the Mustang's iconic design. The Raptor RR** comes in signature Ford colors like Velocity Blue, Shadow Black, and a limited edition Grabber Orange, each accentuated by exposed carbon fiber and titanium accents. Every detail, from the sculpted fuel tank to the underbelly exhaust, screams speed and sophistication. YouTube has been buzzing with reactions to Ford's daring leap into the sport bike world. Channels like **44 Teeth, Moto Bob, and Daily Rider have posted in-depth reviews, with many praising the Raptor RR's intoxicating blend of power and handling. Drag race videos against rivals like the Yamaha R1 and Ducati Panigale V4** have racked up millions of views, while onboard POV laps at legendary tracks like Laguna Seca and the Nürburgring showcase just how capable this machine is. Meanwhile, tech-focused creators are dissecting Ford's innovative features, from the adaptive aerodynamics to the AI-assisted HUD, proving that this isn't just another cookie-cutter sport bike. The 2025 Ford sports bike lineup is more than just a new player in the two-wheeled arena, it's a game-changer. By leveraging decades of high-performance automotive engineering, Ford has crafted motorcycles that thrill purists and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a track day addict, a canyon-carving speedster, or just someone who appreciates groundbreaking machinery, these bikes demand attention. And with rumors of an electric Ford sport bike prototype already testing, it's clear that the Blue Oval is just getting started. One thing's for sure, the motorcycle world will never be the same.